Assalamu alaikum. We are live on the plains of Arafat in a sight that you do not usually see. For the last 20 years, we don't remember that there's been an occasion where it has rained on the day of Arafat. A sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. May Allah accept it. How many people are watching? Brother Shahid.
Assalamu alaikum. Shahid here from Arafat. Subhanallah. Such a day like this, Rahmah. It's raining while we're walking to Jabal Nur. It's absolutely amazing. Got everybody out making du'as in the rain. Allah accept it from everybody. Allah accept it from us. Allah forgive us. Allah grant us all Jannah, inshallah.
Alhamdulillah, it's on the day of Arafah. It's raining really heavily. We are just making our way to Jabal Rahmah, and it's a crazy atmosphere because of the rain. People making dua. May Allah accept it. A sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. الحمد والنعمة لك والملك.
It's good to know this is number 40 to go back. So this is making as a mark there. Where's the cameras?
Where's the cameras?
Let's go.
Where's the cameras? Huh? Where's the cameras?
We're gonna get your lens is getting wet. We have the brothers here from MIN.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
We do after our cameras.
Covering crazy footage. Heather here is his first Hajj. What a Hajj it is to be able to witness, experience the Rahmah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Make sure there's even under 1.4.
Yeah. Okay. Crazy. Oh, look.